Windshield wipers are an important element for safe driving because they ensure optimum visibility even in bad weather conditions with rain or snow. Worn wipers can result in annoying scratches on the windshield, making the glass opaque, less clear and transparent. On average, windshield wipers maintain their quality for 6 months. After this, the rubber blade could start to deteriorate. Thus, the state of windshield wipers must be checked regularly. When the time comes, you can contact your dealership or trusted authorized workshop. You're guaranteed help by qualified technicians and the use of original spare parts. Along with adequate ventilation inside the car, wipers help to maintain optimum visibility and safety.